Hi, I'm Rizwan. Today we are going to learn how we can import banking data in QuickBooks Online. All the bank account of clients are connected with QuickBooks Online and they are automatically synced with QuickBooks. But sometimes there is a connection error due to which all the transactions are not imported. Or client is going to change the accounting system from one software to QuickBooks Online, so we have to import all the data. In such case, what we need to do or which file is used to import all the data, I will show it on my desktop. So let's go to my desktop. So we have logged into QuickBooks Online. I have accounted version, but if you have any version of QuickBooks Online, the process will be the same. To import the banking transactions, we will click the gear icon. Then we will click on import data. There will be multiple options what you want to import. First one is bank data, second one is clients, third one is vendors, then chart of accounts, product and services, invoices. These are related to any data which is in your old accounting system and you want to import it in QuickBooks Online. We have to import the bank data, so we will click on bank data. Here it explains how we can upload manual all the transactions. There are these file formats which you can use to import the transactions. So I have a bank data file which is in CSV format. Click on select files, then choose the file you want to import. Click open, continue. Then you have to select the bank account for which these transactions are related to. If a company have multiple bank accounts, you have to select the right bank account which is mapped with this bank data. So I will select the bank account, continue. Then we have to map the data. In data mapping, first question is the first row in your file header is header? We will click on yes, the first row is the header of all the transactions. So we will click yes. How many columns? Shown amount. We have one column which contains all the plus and minus transactions. So there is only one column. Then we will select the date format which you have to see in your file. So in our date format, the first one is date, then the month, and then the year. So date, month, and year. Then we have to map the correct column with the date. So the timestamp is the correct column for date. Description will be in column 3. The amount is in column 4, which is plus minus. There is only one column in our file, so we will select the column 4. Continue. So these are all the transactions which we are going to import. We will select all of these transactions and then continue. QuickBooks will be confirmed that you want to import the 38 transactions or so the number of transactions in your accounting system. So do you want to import now? We will click yes. It will take some time and all of your data is imported. If you have any question regarding this importing banking data, you can post it in comment section. I will try to address all of your issues. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.